Miracles that demonstrated God's care for His people. Wait lang! Wala pang 1, 2, 3. Wait for the go. Okay, He performed miracles that demonstrated God's care for His people, such as healing, providing food, and restoring life. These miracles emphasize compassion, healing, and restoration. 1. Wait lang! 2.
Oo. Sure kayo dyan na huwag kayo susunod kasi may mga mali talaga.
3.
May mali talaga.
Okay.
Sure na ba kayo? Aba!
Sure na ba kayo?
Aba! Aba kayo! Aba!
Wait lang, sige. Tanungin ko, bakit ang sagot mo ay A? Bakit ang sagot mo ay A?
Bawal kaya.
Talaga mo? Ano yung miracle na ano? Ano yung miracle na nanalo kay Elijah? Wala, di ba?
Hindi mo sila kayo Elijah kaya.
Bakit Elijah?